Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hot garlic sauce easy method. Start by assembling fresh garlic, neutral oil, vinegar, lemon, salt, and your chosen chilies. Peel and lightly toast garlic to deepen flavor before blending. Measure oil slowly while emulsifying to get a creamy, stable sauce. Taste and tweak seasoning, then jar and chill so flavors meld before serving with your favorite dishes. In this video, I will show how to make hot garlic sauce easy method. Begin by toasting garlic to release sugars, then combine with oil and vinegar in a blender. Pulse and slowly stream oil to emulsify into a silky sauce. Add chilies for heat and lemon or vinegar for brightness, tasting as you go. Finish with salt and optional sugar to balance, then transfer to a jar and chill briefly. In this video, I will show how to make hot garlic sauce easy method. Quick recommendation. If you like reading recipes on the go, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life, perfect for kitchen use. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help us make more videos. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make hot garlic sauce easy method. After blending, cool and store in a clean jar in the fridge to extend life. Always shake or stir before serving to reincorporate oils that may separate. This versatile sauce pairs with sandwiches, grilled foods, dips, and marinades, and you can thin it with warm water or extra vinegar for dressings or basting during cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.